The Uniwa F400 is a mini rugged phone with an integrated push-to-talk over cellular function. The device supports Zello, which is an app that turns your smartphone into a walkie-talkie. It also supports smart push-to-talk, and the phone ships with the latest Android 15. Currently, it's available on AliExpress for about $254. If you're interested, you could check it out. I don't know, maybe I'll put a link in the video description. Anyway, in this video, we'll explore its top features and specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it.